Hello everyone, this is Divi Websites, and today I want to show you how to create the custom header with Divi Builder. So let's start. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe of course and like this video. I have this design with this header, so let's create this custom header. This header layout I can create without custom builder, but I want to show you how to do it with custom builder. So let's begin. Let's go to our Divi builder. Here I have Wordpress dashboard. We should go to Divi theme builder and click add global header. It will create the global header for us. Actually, before we do this, we should create this now menu. So let's do it. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait. So I need to create the now menu first because we will need it in future. So let's do it. Go to appearance menus just as always, and here we will do our menu. Okay, main menu, primary menu, create menu. Which navigation we have? About, technology, projects, careers. Let's edit. Okay, custom link, about, about, technology, projects, and careers. Okay, so we have our now menu. Now we can create the custom header. So we go to Divi theme builder and click add global header here. Build global header, and now we can create the custom layout. Don't stop the video because the most important thing will be in the end. Okay, now we have this header. Let's create some row. Let's make this row like design more full width. Okay, 95%. So it's the same. It's like full screen. Now we can create our menu. I will use default Divi menu. You can create your own here. Whatever you want. If you want, you can add button, text, what you want, you can add. Okay, so just like regular Divi builder. Logo, let's add logo. I have it already uploaded into media library. Great. Now what I should do? Now I need to reduce these spaces. Spacing 0. Okay, and now I need to move this menu to the right, but actually first I need to style it. So let's do it. Let's check Questro regular. Not sure what is this font. Let's check how it will look like. Menu. Okay, Questro. Hope. Questel. Okay. Great, it's Google Fonts, so it makes things much easier. Okay, and it's regular, not bold, right? Bold. It actually looks bold, but it says it's regular, but it looks bold. Look at this, you see? So let's just leave it bold. Okay, and font size should be 15 pixels. So let's do it 50 pixels. Actually, clients wants these sizes from Tesla website. So let's check it. Let's check the font size, font weight. Go to the content. Now we can check that it's 14 pixels and font weight. Where is font weight? It's the font weight should be somewhere here. 50. Okay, so let's make it 50 because here 50, and let's make it both like this. So now we need to move it to the right, and let's see what we can do. First we need to save it. Okay, so click important part, as I promised. Click save here. Now close, and important, click save here. If you will not click save here, it will not save at all. So you will need to redo it fully from the scratch. Okay, so here what we have. here is our custom menu, but I want to move this to the right, so I will do it with custom CSS. Actually, for it I need to check the style, and you see justify content, flex start, so we need justify content, flex end, so it will be at the end. Let's see where we can add this custom CSS. Okay, let's check. Let's wait until it's loading. Here we have our styles, so let's go to advanced, custom CSS, and I'm not sure mini links. Okay, it doesn't work. Actually, right, so it will not work here, so we need to create a custom CSS here. Okay, go to the gear, advanced, custom CSS, add here, and don't forget to add your class, of course, which will be like this. Okay, not sure why it doesn't work. It should work, why it doesn't work. Okay, so in the font we should work, I'm sure. Let's add it here. Okay, and you see it doesn't work. Because of what? Because we need to add important. Or write like this. No? No. Okay, so we'll use important. Okay. So here is our custom header. We actually may want to reduce the top and bottom padding because it is smaller much. And let's do the same here. So let's do it like 8 pixels and pixels and 8 pixels. Okay, and I actually don't like this bold. It should be, the font weight should be font weight smaller. Font weight. Okay, so we can use or bold or not bold. This is what font weight tells us. So let's use this. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. This is actually how you do the custom header. If you want to add some custom button or custom text, you just go add plus or add row, add columns, and that's all. I will continue to create this design. Maybe you will see it in the other video. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.